Hi everyone. This question here tells us, it says that Josh went on a bike ride, and for part of the ride, Joshua stopped to play in a park with a friend. Okay, now the question is, which segment of the graph best describes this part of his bike ride? So let's take a quick look at the graph here. So one of the things that we need to get out of this chapter here is just an ability to interpret the information in a graph here, which isn't always obvious to everybody. Now, look what's going on here. This is a distance, sorry, let me maybe zoom out just a little bit here. This is a distance time graph, okay? And so notice as time goes along here that distance is increasing. Okay, so from the origin to point A here, the distance is increasing. It's quite steep here. Okay, so distance increases with time. Think of that. Now that's speed. That very likely represents bike riding. Now from A to B, again, distance is increasing, but it's not increasing at quite the same rate. Okay, it's going to take us a little bit more time. Okay, and we're going, I don't know, what do we got here? We got to 3 here. We're not even going quite as far. So this represents a slower speed here. Now look what's going on between B and C. Notice that time continues to move forward here, but the distance doesn't change. The distance stays a constant 5 kilometers. This is the part right here that represents him staying at the park. He's not getting any further from home. He's hanging out basically in that one little area here. And then C to D represents motion backwards. Okay, so think about the x-axis here as being home, moving away, stays, and then moves back. And you can see here distance is changing over time. So again, this represents a trip. So the answer we're looking for here has got to be B to C.